saw our other car, I saw my son with the 391 out there at about halfway in the last lap. It brought tears to my eyes.
Yeah, it was an amazing race. Unfortunately,
Yeah, so I've been here a number of years now. This is a very, very still day. The dust here is crazy right now, and we're on the lake bed. We're not even out in the racetrack yet. So unfortunately, with the tranny issued yesterday during qualifying, we're starting just about the very back. It is going to be one nasty day for the 80 car. Luckily, Josh and Dave with the 391 car a little further up there. So hopefully they're going to have the same dust, but maybe just a little faster pace off the start. So super dusty, going to be a lot of fun.
Just coming in, trying to keep a level mindset, ready to go out there and enjoy it and push. But you know what? It's an exciting race. I'm excited to go fast. It's one we're trying to get done and still make sure we wrap up the car for the next race, which is the one we're really pushing for, which is the Rocks. So.
This is a dream come true, racing in the desert in a side-by-side. I've been watching this since 2008. Full circle, here we are. I get to not only watch, but participate in it.
Okay, we've got a hard left coming up, 600 feet, 400 feet. Whole big rock right now. Good job. Coming up here, we're on the left, and then right, tight, left here. Back to the right. Here it is, 75 now. We run between 70 and 80, and try and finish the race. It's a sweeper.
Okay, make sure you point me in the right direction out here.
Yep.
Super wide.
Yep.
Sorry.
It's okay. Don't apologize to me.
I know, but
I'm doing the easy part.
well,
Oh, we have force workers here. That bar.
yeah. You okay? Pretty good?
Oh no, something wrong. Fuck.
I gotta get up this track.
Yep. That's not good.
Nope.
It was an amazing race. Unfortunately, a ball joint took us out. We were race mile 26, I want to say, on lap 4. So again, over a third of the way through the final lap.
He's good. Go.
Oh, that's too bad.
Yeah.
Ball joint went out. My co-driver Dave, he figured, we strapped it together. We got another 12 miles, 13 miles out of it.
Try and keep it as straight and smooth as we can.
We're moving again, but gonna try to just get it home. Oh, keep driving. That makes me cry.
Oh.
Whatever it was, and we got to race mile 39. Unfortunately, there was a little ledge we had to drop on, and that just sent everything for a mess. So we ended up in some sand, and our team, just came out and picked us up, and we're now finally back in town. So it was a super fun race. Really got into the groove in lap 4, which felt amazing up until until our issue.
Alright. Well, they were on all 4 wheels to get the rump through here. Stay to the right. Here we go, baby. Yeah. Great job. All the way through. Bring it home. All the way. Good job. Hey. Way to go, Scotty. Did it. Way to go. Goal number 1. Yeah.
Well, I was just saying, you know what? I'm tired, but the last lap was so rutted, so rough. But you know what? It was. We got to the point that we thought if we could just hold the car together, we can get a finish here. So.
Yeah, dude, that was wild. Lost for words. That was epic, and my family knows I don't use that word ever. So
That was just awesome. Just our first desert race. Scotty crushed it. The car was amazing. Yeah, man, like we were jumping and bumping, and When I saw our other car, I saw my son with the 391 out there at about halfway in the last lap. It brought tears to my eyes. So that kind of sucks for him, them. For us, you know what, I'm really stoked for the team. If it wasn't for the dedication, the wherewithal, and the understanding and capabilities of the team, we never would have been racing today and had the chance to bring the car home in one piece and for a finish. So yeah, pretty stoked. Team's amazing.
Now we're just in prep time, so we're going to take this one as a little bit of a sting, and tomorrow we'll put our heads down, get these cars re-prepped, ready for the Rock race. Go see if we can finish that one off.